This is the Zeo Skin Health Getting Skin Ready Travel Kit. So this has 3 of my absolute staple products in it, and I love that they come in the travel sizes. It's such a hassle to bring, those huge sizes with you when you're traveling through an airport. It's just so much easier to bring these smaller sizes. So it comes with a gentle cleanser. So this is a 2-ounce size, and this one, as you can see, it's such a great travel size compared to the large. And then it's got your 0.57 ounce exfoliating cleanser. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I love this product. It's great to use a couple times a week. I love using it in the shower. And then you cannot beat these complexion renewal pads. So this comes in the 30 pack. The full size is a 60 pack. So you get half of the regular size in here. And then just as a little trick, I do love to cut these in half and use 1/2 in the evening and 1/2 at night because they are so saturated. That way I'm only using 1 whole pad a day instead of 2. But overall, this is such a great kit, has 3 amazing products in it, and it's wonderful for travel.